Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate you how to install the Contacts plugin on a Windows operating system on Bitnami Redmine stack. Firstly, please make a note that CRM and Contacts plugin is the same thing. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is to go to your license manager and download the very latest version of the Contacts plugin. However, if you use the light free version of the plugin, then you have to go to our site redmineup.com and then click on plugins and then find the Contacts plugin and then download it. So you have to enter your email address and the plugin will be automatically sent to it. Please don't forget to check the license, check the box for the terms and conditions, otherwise the link will be not sent. Okay, also I would like to let you know that the steps for installation of the light free version as well as the pro version are actually absolutely the same. So the very first thing that you have to do now is to go and just start your Redmine. In our case, it is installed in C disk and then Bitnami. And here we have a couple of Redmines. However, in our video now, we are going to use Redmine 5. So here you have to start it via the Manager Windows file. Okay, so here on the Manage Servers, you have to click on Start All. So the web server as well as the database is going to be started. Okay, so our Redmine is now running. Let's go and check what's happening there. The Redmine is installed on my local Redmine, on the local host. So I just access it. We have to just wait a couple of seconds until it is started. Okay, so our Redmine is now just started. Okay, so when we go to our plugins list, we see that we have only Agile, and now we are going to install the Contacts plugin. Here is also our information. Okay, so the Contacts plugin will be here at the end. Alright, so now let's go back to the folder where we have downloaded it and just extract the zip file. Okay, this is our plugin. So we copy this folder and then go into our Redmine folder again. And then you have to enter apps folder and then Redmine, and then htdocs, and then plugins. Here, please just paste it. Alright, the plugin is in process of pasting. Okay, so our plugin is just pasted now. So the next thing that we have to do is to just go back to the core Redmine folder and start the use Redmine file. Alright, this is how it looks like. And now you have to change the directory to the htdocs. So it is apps Redmine htdocs. Alright, so here the first command that we have to do is to bundle install. This command is going to install all the required gems for the Contacts plugin. So we see that we have now the gems are in progress of installing. Okay, so we are done with this step, and the next one is that we have to run the migration. It is done with bundle exec rake redmine plugins rails env production. We just wait a little bit until the migration is done. So we see the migration has just started. Okay, we wait for the migration to be finished. Okay, so we are done. The last thing that you have to do now is to just restart all processes. So all these changes are now going to take place. So restarting is on. Alright, so we have restarted all processes. Now let's go back to our Redmine and just refresh the page. Yeah, here is some more time needed for Redmine to start. We keep refresh the page. Alright, so our Redmine is now restarted and we see the contacts plugin is now appearing here. So we have done our job successfully. We have installed contacts plugin on a Bitnami stack on Windows operating system. So thank you very much for watching this video and bye bye for now.